Hey guys, I'm Bella with Arc El Paso, and I'm here with Daniela Labinoti. She is a lawyer right here in El Paso, and she's going to give us some legal advice. So, there are already laws that we know about, like obviously murder or, stealing, but there are new laws coming through the legislature all the time. So I wanted to ask, how do we keep informed and make sure we're not accidentally breaking the law?
Yes, that's a good question, and unfortunately a hard one to answer because laws change all the time. We attorneys, in fact, have to take CLEs yearly in the states we practice because there is new laws that come in on a regular basis. The courts change the law changes or gets modified, and the legislature changes the laws. And so we actually subscribe to a lot of webinars. We'd have to take so many hours of CLEs to even keep our license valid. And in addition to that, we have what it's called like memberships for different organizations, and they have regular, monthly or weekly meetings or CLEs, maybe even luncheon, to let us know about new laws and changes, or mass emails that let us know about the changes of the laws. But I need to emphasize something, and this is really important. I focus on personal injury, for example, and employment law. So I keep up to date with the changes of law when it comes to personal injury and employment law. I'm not as, I don't pay as much attention to criminal law because criminal law is not my specialty. I might know the general basics, but for me to know the changes maybe is not going to be as quick or as fast as someone who specializes in that area. For example, like patent law or copyright law, those attorneys know the changes better and they will find out faster than someone that is not, practicing in that area of law. So it's really important to always hire the right attorney that specializes in that practice. Laws are hard. In this country, you do need an attorney to guide you and represent you. You can, there are a lot of legal forums so that you can educate yourself and you can try to keep up with it. And to not accidentally break the law. But if you accidentally break the law, call an attorney to advocate for you and represent you, because it's extremely difficult and hard to keep up with all the changes that happen on a regular basis. For example, right now in the state of Texas, something I think devastating as a plaintiff's attorney is taking place, which is called the HB 30. This is a law which is going to take away people's right to justly be compensated for their injuries and harm. Unfortunately, the law was passed in the Senate, and there was a hearing last week and to be passed in the House. Thank God hasn't passed yet, but we attorneys have been fought against that bill. We have donated money, we have sent witnesses in Austin, victims of car crashes, victims of brain injuries who have testified in the House against this bill. So we lawyers get very much involved and are aware of the law and the changes that are even coming up, and we even participate in fighting sometimes when these bills are not there to protect the people. And so it's unless you are in that area of law or expertise, you might not even know. You can ask a criminal attorney about what is HB 30 and they'll be like, I don't know what that is. So I don't know what's going on. So that's why I believe it's very important to not only keep yourself kind of like abreast by reading, but you have to hire a lawyer because not everything that's in Google is correct.
Oh yeah, and watch the news.
And watch the news.
Okay, so we ask Daniela these questions every single week. If you want to see what else we've asked, or you can go ahead and go to our website, or you can wait next week and see what else we have in store for you. Arc El Paso will be right back after this break.